Okay, this is the room which we told him not to clean. There's Peter.
Hello.
There's Todd. There's the stuff that we had a slow day today. We didn't buy too much. Now, this is what the room, we just got in. This is what the room looks like. Nobody really can figure out the full-length mirror. There's all our stuff, and we got a shitload of stuff to do, so I'll take video of us loading clips in a little bit. Part 2, we're recording. Look what we did to the room now.
Quite a difference, huh?
There's the
Quite a
trash.
difference, eh?
Hey, that's a man, baby. Almost done loading. The PPS H41 stuff's done. UK59 stuff's done. That was done before we left, and they got a few BZ24 mags left. And shower time, bedtime, go up and make noise tomorrow time. Bye. All right, here's Charles under Charles's tent. There's Todd. There's what we're shooting in. It's about what, 3 inches of water?
That's Knob Creek Lake.
Yeah. This is the Knob Creek Lake and River Canal system we've built to drain the water off. Look how nice it is here. Ah, it's beautiful summer weather in Kentucky here. I'd be real surprised if the attendance isn't down a little bit today. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. My camera is definitely acting up. It got wet. But we got the water drained out.
It's working. A big honking stable.
Let's see if I can get anything. Charles,
Yeah.
you're in charge now. We're seeing if we're going to record. This is camera's all full of fog. Hey, look, Hope's calling Todd. Go figure. Flamethrower.
New voice message.
The autofocus doesn't seem to be working. There it goes. It's working now.
Right, last series, are ready on the right? Let's